today's topic for your 2-minute short is logistic regression. Why is it useful for customer success? So Cody, logistic regression, why is it useful for customer success?
So logistic regression is useful for customer success for a couple of reasons. First off, what we're able to do is extract highly interpretable factors. So we can see what is it that's actually driving these users to be retained, what's driving users to churn. We can give very specific examples for this. Secondly, and perhaps more importantly, we can actually calculate these risk of churn scores. So what we can say is how likely is any given customer to churn or be retained. We can actually calculate a probability of that.
Okay. And what are some examples that may come out of anybody's common data set? You know, that might be common to a bunch of different companies.
Yeah, so common examples, what we run into pretty commonly is the cost of these subscriptions. So what we'll often find is users who are paying more, so somewhat intuitive, users who are paying more we see are more likely to churn. What we find also commonly, sort of on a more general level, is a sort of a general level of activity. So how much are they consuming, a frequency, how often are they consuming it? We can also go more granular and look at the specifics. So what type of content are they absorbing? And then we can compare this to the different factors. So which factors are positive, which are negative, this sort of a thing.
Got it. And the burning question everyone's dying to know is, what is the difference between logistic regression and linear regression?
So great question. So logistic regression is essentially a binary classifier. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to say which group does this user belong to? Are they amongst the churners or are they amongst those who are going to be retained? Whereas linear regression is predicting this, essentially a continuous value. So we could say, we would use this for something like predicting the cost of a house, where we knew, say, it has X square footage, it's in Y neighborhood, this sort of a thing, and we could predict this continuous value price and sort of ballpark that. Whereas here, we're just trying to predict a binary. Will they churn, won't they churn? And we can calculate a probability as to which group they belong to.
Okay, so linear regression, you were going to predict a number on a range of values, and logistic regression, we're going to say yes or no.
That's exactly right.
Okay, got it. Thanks a lot. This has been your Customer Fitness 2-minute short, and we'll see you next time. Ciao.